This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Faith Turner. Open floor plan in Kempsville. Fresh paint and new carpet. First floor open floor plan with large living room, dining room, and family room, nice kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and pantry. Large primary suite with a true walk-in closet and private bath with garden tub and shower, and second floor laundry room. Private backyard with tiered deck and peaceful views. Established neighborhood convenient to shopping, dining, and Regent University. Easy access to I-64 and I-264. For more information, review the details below or contact Faith Turner at 757-424-0202.